Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on setting up your AWS DeepRacer account resources. This step is important as it sets up the simulation environment and memory requirements needed to run the AWS DeepRacer on a simulated environment. First, we go to the aws.amazon.com website and select the orange Sign into the Console button present on the right side of the screen. Next, we will select root user and enter our username and select next. Now we will fill in our password and select sign in. Next, we will make sure we have the server North Virginia or US East 1 selected from the top right corner of the screen. After that, we will enter AWS DeepRacer into the Find Services search bar. Next, we open the AWS menu by clicking the three lines in the top left corner. We will then select Get Started. Now we will go to step 0 and select the Reset Resources button. Click OK. This will start allocating the resources for our AWS DeepRacer and might take 5 to 10 minutes before it sets it up for you. Once it gives you two gray check marks, then click on the Create Resources button once again. Note, there might be an error which might pop up. To resolve this error, click on the Reset Resource button again and it will fix that issue. This might take 5 to 10 minutes to run, but once it is completed, you will see two green check marks in the box as shown in the video. After both the statements have turned green, you have set up the environment required for your AWS DeepRacer and have completed this step. Thank you.